In global tech, speed and quality matter. And when you're building a global SaaS platform, UI performance isn't just important, it's essential. That's exactly what ITARMI's head of software engineering, Marcel Heeremans, was looking to improve. Building ITARMI's SaaS platform meant creating a dynamic grid that met the business's quality standards. And its existing mix of NPM packages just wasn't delivering the quality it needed. In a fast-growing company, UIUX just wasn't an option. And that's when they discovered Syncfusion. With the flexible and intuitive JavaScript components in Essential Studio, Marcel's team transformed their UI experience. The results? A cleaner, more intuitive interface for both their customers and their development team. Using Syncfusion didn't just fix their grid issue. ITARMI was able to elevate its entire user experience using Essential Studio JavaScript components. Need scalable UI tools without the headache? Syncfusion might be exactly what your platform needs. To read more about ITARMI's journey, head to the Syncfusion case study page.